Welcome back, viewers, to our continuing program in using Archicad. So previously we've seen how we placed our drawing in a paper and placing various views and also converting into PDF. So next I want us to see how we can now go to story building. When you're creating a story building, we need to set our levels. We need to create our stories. So first of all, when you look into our plan, all the structures that you see here, roof, walls, windows, doors, dimensions, they are in layers. So when you put your cursor over maybe the roof, you can see the layer is called shell roof. Down here, there's a layer called shell roof. When you put your cursor in one of the dimensions, it can show you the layer is called dimension general. When you put your cursor over to the beam, it can show you the layer. So each and every component, each and every object has been grouped into layers. So we can navigate through and see how we can turn off layers and turning them on so that we can hide other layers because maybe it's a bit crowded. So we see how we can turn layers on and off. So when you come to document, under document we have layers. Then you click layers, model view. Yeah. So when you scroll down, so I want to put dimensions off for now. So dimensions fall under dimension general. You click on this eye-shaped symbol here. The first one is locking, this padlock thing. You can lock a layer. This one is hiding a layer. So when I click into that's dimension general. When I click OK, you'll see all my dimensions are gone. They have been hidden, they are not deleted. I can also decide to come back to layers, models. I want to put off my roof. The roof is there, but I want to put it off because I want to go to story building, and then we see how we can put it there on top. So click on that eye symbol, then you click OK. You'll see now we don't have the roof. It's been hidden. So you can hide various objects or various components if you want to still continue working in AutoCAD. So I've hidden dimensions and I've hidden the roof, but they can still be shown back. When you click on that eye to open, you'll see the dimensions coming back. For example, when I come back to layers under document, then I click on this eye to open. When I click OK, you see my dimensions are back. Yeah. So sometimes you can hide your layers if you still want to continue working on your plan, and then you will bring them back later. So next, I want to show you how in this small plan, I want to show you how now we can create story building. Yeah. So in the navigator, you can see we have story 1, story 2. So by default, when it opens, by default we are starting from the ground floor. So before you go to story building, we need to set our stories. We call story settings. So to select the story settings, you go to design. Under design, we have story settings, or you can, the shortcut key is Ctrl+7. So when you click on the story settings, the story setting dialog box will appear. So by default, you can see we have ground floor, story 1, story 2, and these are the elevations. Remember our elevations were 3 meters, then the second one will be 6 meters or 6,000 millimeters from the ground floor. This is height to the next, which you can change depending on the nature of the stories that you are creating. So down here, you can insert story above if you want to add on top of another, or you can insert story below if you're going down. For example, if you're doing the basement or foundation, you can go down, or you can also delete a story. So I want to add more stories. I click on the top story, that's where I want to add. You click on the top story, then you click like insert above. So as we click insert above, you can see the story adds itself. These stories can be renamed. When you click on that story, you can type first floor, first floor. That's how we name stories. You can come here. This is the second floor. Second floor. You can have second floor. You can also go to third floor, and then like that, like that, like that. So that's how they are. So by naming, you can name our stories. Once you've done that, you click OK. So here in our stories, you can see we have ground floor. You double click to open ground floor. We have first floor. Double click, second floor. Double click, third floor. Double click, and also fourth floor. So we can have as many stories as possible. So we start with the ground floor. Then for now, I want to show you how now we can create stairs. Before you design a story building, after setting up your stories from ground to fourth, we need to create our stairs. Yeah. So from here, we can include our stairs. So allow me to put a door here, which will act as our I can put a door there, or maybe I have my floor shown here. Yeah. So I want to put my stories. So first of all, not stories, stairs. So you come to your stair tool, and then on the settings dialog box here, you can see we have the stair default settings. You can change the width of your stairs. By changing the width now, you can type maybe that's the 800, for example. This is a simple one. Then how many risers do you want to have? You can click and pick like 16, 17, 18. Yeah, and then it will just calculate the riser height automatically depending on the number of risers that you've placed. And then now you can change. These are risers, these are trees, all these you can change. Then you have a baseline, you can take center, so that we are doing from center to center. So our stairs, bottom of story, we can start it at 0, for example. You can do 0, 0. Yeah, so it goes up to 31. Also this one, you can put 0, so that it flashes with to the top floor. Remember, our top floor is 3 meters, so we are starting from ground floor to second floor. So after setting all these, you just click OK. Or you can have the landing. You can check on all these structures, monolithic landing. Then you make your changes depending on the client. Then you click OK. Then now I want to have my railings for both sides. You can have your railings. Can have your railings placed. There's a problem there. Yeah. There is an issue. So you start to draw your stairs. So stairs, I want to place my stair here. So this will be my entrance. So I come to start. You draw your stairs. Remember now we are having 16. So we are going up. We are going up. There. Then you turn. We start from here. This is where you want to start. This is your entry point. I can go this way. I can go that way. Then reach up to 7. And then now on this one, you can start from there. Then you can start your stairs, your stair design. Oops. You start your stair design. Then you click on the landing. You have to draw the landing. It's count you the number of risers. Sorry. You can draw your stairs. Then you pick your landing. Oops. You can draw your stairs. Then you pick your landing here. You can have your stairs. Then you do your landing. Just a minute, there's a problem, technical hitch. Okay, our viewers, welcome back. Let's continue. There was a technical hitch and we are sorry for that. So we were on how we are creating our stories. We have seen how we have created our levels under design on story settings, and we saw how now we added floors. And now I want to show you how now we can go to the upper floors. When you come to your 3D view, we've got that. Allow me to delete these ones first. These columns, they were mistakenly, ground floor, they are coming up to story 1. I can select my column, and I come to select all columns. Then now I can change from here to story 1. Also my beams, they were wrongly placed. I can come to select all beams, and then now from here click first floor. So my beams are back. So let's now see how we can now go back to other stories. So from the ground floor, you select everything. You select everything. You select everything. For example, that first floor. You select everything. After selecting everything, now we simply copy. You right click, then come to copy. And then double click on first floor, then you paste. So you can see it's been pasted. Then you click out that marquee, you click out so that it goes off. Then you go to double click on second floor, then you also right click, then you paste, then you click outside that area, then you go to floor 3, then you also paste. You will see it going to the same exact location. Then you click out, and then now we have story 4. Then you also right click, then you paste. So after pasting all that now, so we have pasted, we have just copied and pasted from ground floor to the upper floors. So when you come to 3D view, you will find we have created our stories. You can simply do that. So you can see we have added other stories on top of the story. Yeah. So with that now, I can select my roofs by clicking the shift key to select the other roof. Then I want to take it up to the next floor. I come to my roof settings. In the settings dialog box, yeah. So when you come to your elevations, you will find all your elevations have gone up to 4th floor. You can see that. Also see that. Yeah. So that's how we create stories in Archicad. So I can come back to my roof, then I come to edit, select all roofs, then on the settings dialog box, now I want my home story to be story 1, or I can do story 4, because now we are on story 4. So you click select a story, and then you click story 4, then you click OK. So when you click, you will see your roof going up to story 4. So from there, you can be able to see your roof also has gone up to story 4. So that's how we create stories, by just selecting and copying to the next floors like that. Any additional change that you are making here, same thing you can apply. You can still create stories. So when I come back to my ground floor, I want to create railings, so that at least maybe there's a balcony, and then we'll have our stairs. So the railings can be created on story 1, 1st floor. Just double click on 1st floor. When it opens now, I can create my railings. So when you click on the railings, so you have to check how, go to settings, come to your settings, and then under the settings, you can now have your railings. You can draw your railings up to there, then you click, double click, another railing up to here, then you also double click. So those are our railings. To view your railings, you simply come back to story 3, and then now you can see our railings has been placed. So this is asking our balcony to avoid someone to fall. So I can also click on the railings. I can select my railings on floor 1. You select the railing. No, just come to railing, select all railings. Yeah. After selecting all railings, you just click copy. Then after copying, you come back to 2nd floor. By clicking on the 2nd floor, then you paste. See your railings placed there. You click out, go to 3rd floor. You also paste. You see your railings placed there. Then on 4th floor, you also need to paste. Yeah, then you click out. So once you've done that, you come to your 3D. And then now you'll find all your railings have been placed in the balcony of that particular plan. So those are our railings. That's how we place railings in a given area. So you can see we've placed our railings. So from there, I also want to add stairs. So still come back to your ground floor level, ground floor, click on the ground floor, and now I want to create my stair. Yeah, so my stairs was around 16. I come from there, you click, and then you go to you click the stairs, and then now from here, from the flight width, now you go to the landing. You need to create a landing. If it's a straight stair, well and good. If you have a landing, you can specify the landing. So you click there, and then as you turn up, you can now pick this as your landing, then you go back to your flight. So there's a problem there. So I want to place my stairs. So let me come back to these stairs. Yeah. So I want to reduce this number to, maybe I can type. I can simply type. I can make it 15. Then I click OK. So I want to do a straight stair. Maybe from here up to there. That's my stairs. That's my stairs. Click on your stairs. I can right click. I can mirror. Mirror that, so I can have my in there. So then I can move. I can simply right click, drag everything, and maybe place it there. See that? That's one way of drawing stairs. So when you click on your 3D, you'll see this is our stairs. That's your stairs. That's a straight stair. You can see starting from ground, going up. Another stairs, which I'll show you, which is, so delete that. I can still come back to my stairs, and then on the stairs, these are railings. You can have railings on both sides, or on the left or on the right. Then you click on that. So I want to, let's like 15. Then I click OK. So you can draw your stairs elsewhere. Then you drag. You can come to your stairs. You can draw your stairs. Can have my stairs drawn. Can select that, or maybe let me just do a straight stair again. Up to that point. So that's how we do stairs, and simply by dragging. You can simply right click and select on your stairs, right click, then you drag. That's how we create stairs in 3D. So you can have various types of stairs. When you're drawing a stair, you can click on the stairs. After making your settings, you can click on this to add railings on one side left, or add another railings on the right. Then go to settings, and then you make the changes of your stairs. You can make it 16, then you change everything else, then you click OK. So when you click, there's a problem with this machine. Then I draw my stairs like that. Yeah. So that's my stairs. So the stairs goes like that. That's an L-shaped U-stair. You can click on the stairs, right click, and then drag, move, then you drag. So I want to come and drag my stairs and place it here. You can place it there. So let me remove this by deleting it. So when you come to your 3D, you'll find your stairs is starting from this point up to the other point. So that's how we design stairs and giving the parameters for your stairs. These stairs can be taken up. So when you come back to your ground floor, you select your stairs. Remember, you simply copy, right click, copy, and then come to first floor, and then you paste, because that's for the top part. You see it's going to the exact position where the down stair is. You click out. Second floor, also right click, then you paste, then you click outside, so to remove the marquee. Then third floor, also right click, then you paste. Once you've pasted like that, now you have your stairs shown there. So when you come to your 3D view, you'll see all your stairs are shown in that manner. So someone can go up the way he wants. This is our landing. So you can see we have got stairs at each and every station. So you can still come back to your ground floor. So you can do another slab so that you can have where your stairs is going to be. Just draw another slab. Yeah, that's the slab. So this slab, this is the slab that I'm talking about. At least so now it starts from down, going up. You can reduce the thickness of this slab. Yeah, you can make it 200. You can reduce that thickness, and then you click OK. Yeah. This slab can also be taken up. You come back to your ground floor, and then you click on that slab and to change the thickness to be 200. Yeah. So once right click, copy, and then paste it to other floors. First floor, I right click, paste, click out. Second floor, you right click, paste, come to the same position. And also third floor, you right click and paste. So we also have slabs shown on each and every part of our slab. So this is the working area. So you get in, you go up to the next floor, then you go up. So that's how we create stairs and place slabs in different sections of our stairs. So that's it. You can have a view on various elevations and see how your stairs look like. Yeah, so this is your stairs. Then you can still come back to ground floor, and then you can cut a section of your stairs to view your stairs. Yeah, that's another section. It comes here. So we have section 2 when you double click. We have section 1. Section 2. Section 3. Section 6. Section 5. Section 6. Yeah. So you can see how your stairs are aligned to each other. Thank you, viewers, so much for giving me this opportunity to show you how we can design a simple house plan using Archicad. Thank you so much.